Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Le Mans Ultimate crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will show you all the games you currently have installed or available in your Steam account. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have Le Mans Ultimate in my library list at the moment, but I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. Let's pretend that I have Le Mans Ultimate, or that I'm using Le Mans Ultimate for demonstration purposes so you can see exactly what to do. Once you locate Le Mans Ultimate in your library, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window for the game where you can adjust various configurations and troubleshoot issues. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Turning off Steam Overlay can actually help as a crash fix because it reduces the number of background processes running while your game is active, which can prevent conflicts and improve stability. Next, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to the actual game files stored on your computer and allows you to verify their integrity. This is an important step because corrupted or missing files are a common cause of game crashes. Now, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. When you do this, Steam will automatically scan all of your game files and compare them against the official versions stored on Steam servers. If anything is missing or corrupted, Steam will detect it and re-download those specific files to fix the problem. Wait for Steam to finish this verification process and re-download any missing files. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of the files that need to be replaced. Once the verification is complete, restart Steam completely. Close the application and then reopen it. After that, try launching the game again to see if the crashing issue has been resolved. Additionally, you need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes, especially with newer titles like Le Mans Ultimate. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific GPU model. After you've installed the updated drivers, restart your PC. This ensures that all the changes take effect properly and gives your system a fresh start. And that's it, you've now addressed the most common causes of Le Mans Ultimate crashing on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.